Our main objective was to develop a technology that's easy to implement and used in almost any work environment. Unlike other machines in the market, our machines are designed for industry, but do not require an industrial infrastructure. Meltio has a unique business model. Not only do we have the lowest cost machine in the market, but we also use the lowest cost materials. Furthermore, our machines are open. This means you can use metal wires directly from Meltio and obtain the benefits of our process development and material characterization, or you can acquire materials from any commercially available source. We developed an easily scalable production model, which uses multiple printers. We are aware that many of our customers like to start with a prototype before transitioning to full production. That's why we cater to both scenarios. We've developed process parameters to achieve complex geometries, even in a free access system. We've created a very interesting solution for the market with a low-cost, high-performance process that is flexible for almost any user.